B'sens ta' ottimizmu bħal dejjem il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat tkellem dwar il-potenzjal li għandu il-Mediterran. Quddiem nies b'interessi differenti mir-reġjun li qed jattendu l-Mediterranean Leadership Summit, il-Prim Ministru tkellem dwar kif Malta hija eżempju ta' dan.
We've just learned that we have now reached not only the lowest ever unemployment rate in our history, but now in real terms, we have reached the lowest number of unemployed people in our history. And we look forward to go even lower from the 5.1% rate we're in, to go further up when it comes to our 6.3 economic growth registered last year. And I do believe that we can be a shining light to inspire other Mediterranean countries.
Spjega kif it-tema li ntażlet tas-summit ta' din is-sena minn The Economist turi l-importanza u s-sinifikat tar-reġjun Mediterranju. Reġjun li bħalissa huwa assoċjat b'mod dirett mal-kriżi tal-immigrazzjoni minħabba l-għada strateġika tiegħu. Saħaq li din hija assoċjazzjoni pjuttost negattiva. Għalhekk tenna l-Prim Ministru hemm bżonn ta' iktar dialogu u iktar ħidma biex dan l-istess reġjun jerġa' jkun marbut mal-paċi u l-prosperità.
And I do look forward to a situation where, rather than equating the Mediterranean to refugee problems, to spoils of war, to issues of racial tensions, of religious tensions, we can once again speak of the Mediterranean as a basin of prosperity and peace, where business can be done, where jobs can be created,